Hiya folks, we're on another flying adventure, and today we're going to Skegness, which is on the Lincolnshire coast. The airfield itself is just to the north of the town, and it's close to the fun park and the old Butlins. So let's get going and come with us. We're taxiing to the hold for runway 36. It's the shortest runway we have at Netherthorpe, 375 metres in length, but at least it's downhill. Delta India lining up runway 36 for immediate takeoff. Here we go.
Tony, I don't like it upside down. Turn us back over.
I just thought I'd try some aerobatics. Is that better for you?
Yes, don't do it again.
We're just approaching Skegness now, and the little lake there is where the airfield is.
The white building in front of us is the old Butlins holiday camp.
Golf Delta India is downwind for runway 29. Golf Delta India on final approach for runway 29 to land.
Well, there's a big hill over there, look.
Yeah.
Don't know what that's all about.
Good vantage point.
This is it here, look.
Oh yeah. Caravan and motorhome.
Yeah. This must be a
All
campsite.
sorts.
It's a campsite.
Yeah.
That's handy to know, isn't it? Looks quite nice, actually.
Motorhome there, look.
There you go. We could come and stay here. Although you won't be able to fly a plane, would you? You'd have to come in the plane. Oh no, that would be no good either. Because I won't be able to drive the motorhome.
Oh no. Well, next to the C-42 there, one of the jets of the RAF, built in the 1950s.
go, there's a little, is that a helicopter, do we call it?
Gyro.
A gyrocopter.
Yeah. Well, we've arrived at Skegness. Julie is ready to disembark the aircraft. We've got the stool ready, look.
Yeah, I'm a bit worried about getting down.
Right, do you need a hand?
Yes, give me your hand just in case, because that stool collapsed last time, didn't it?
Oh!
There we go.
There we go, it's in one piece. There's an awful lot of geese around here.
Yes.
They don't seem to be scared.
No, wait for this one, look.
Uh-oh.
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 Uh-oh. Oh, he's moving away.
That's got a blackhead.
Looks like he's got a poorly wing.
Oh yeah. Oh dear.
Oh.
No fishing beyond this point. That's
Bye,
where the
geese.
water skis go, I suppose.
Maybe that's where you go and get changed, do you think?
Yes, I should imagine so.
If you're water skiing. Nice little lodge.
Come on, Julie. You can make it up this steep hill. I can, I'm going backwards, look. We're nearly at the top. Whew. Ah. Blimey. Yeah, it is. Yeah. See the skiing lake. Motorhome there.
Yeah, this looks like the touring park side.
Right, yes. And the airfield across there.
See our plane there?
Yeah.
Second one.
Second one in from the Lightning.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 visitors so far. Yeah.
A bit windy up here, isn't it?
A bit breezy, yeah. The original Skegness airfield was located near Butlins. So it was located near the amusement park.
It was a holiday camp.
A holiday camp. Hi, and all that.
Yeah, where people went with families, and there was like little. I think this is it still open?
I think so.
It's still open.
Yeah.
And
Still go to Butlins.
I used to go as a child with my family.
So we've got quite a collection of visitors here, and I've spotted 3 aircraft at the end that are from Netherthorpe. So out of 7 aircraft, there's one in the corner, 4 are from our home airfield. Okay, so we've got 3 RVs, which are an American built aircraft, and this is an RV8, which is tandem. And I think this is an RV7 and the other one's an RV7, or it could be a 6. Yes, the guys that own these, that's Alex, this is Tom, who built it and painted it, and this is Bob's aircraft. Right, very nice. And across there is a Pioneer, I think. Okay, we're back from our little joint. We didn't get very far.
I've got tangled up.
You got tangled up? Julie's back in the aircraft. You got wires everywhere.
No, it's the headset wire. It's got all tangled around it. Wait a minute.
You need to take your seatbelt off like that. Oh.
That's it.
The caravan site is a pub and a cafe, so we just frequented the cafe, had a stroll round the site, had a look at the lake, and came back. So we're now getting ready for our departure back to Netherthorpe. There's the gyrocopter taxiing for runway 03 for takeoff. Golf Delta India taxiing to the hole, runway 03. The wind has changed to a northeasterly, so we landed on runway 29, but we're taking off on runway 03, which is towards Butlins. Golf Delta India rolling at runway 03. Golf Delta India is clearing to the west and changing to Humberside 119130. We have RAF Waddington on our left wingtip and the city of Lincoln in our 10 o'clock position. Here we have RAF Scampton it is now disused. It was the ex-base of the Red Arrows, and in World War II the famous Dam Buster Squadron were based there. Overhead at Netherthorpe, starting our descent for runway 24. Golf Delta India downwind, runway 24. Final approach for 24 to land. Right, well, we're back at Netherthorpe. We've had a nice little trip to Skeg Vegas. Couldn't walk too far because of my foot, so we ended up having a bite to eat at the cafe. Had a stroll around the little lake that was there, and come back to Netherthorpe. So I hope you enjoyed your little trip with us, and we'll see you in the next one.